Okay, and this is the males. There's 3. 2. Let's get your face. Come look. 3. And again, all very healthy. See their little tails, their little otter tails. Everybody's been eating really well, gaining weight every day. A little scale, they get weighed. Everybody's got a little tummy mark, so I keep track of who's who. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Where you go?